Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert image in Google Docs with custom dimensions. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I insert image with custom dimension in this document. At first you have to go insert menu, then you can see here a drawing option, you can see here a image option, then click upload from computer. Now go to your image file location. Now you can see here are my image. Select this image and press open. Now select this image and go to image option. Now we click size and rotation. At first you have to click text wrapping, then click in front of text. Now we add custom dimension. Click this lock aspect ratio and choose your custom dimension size. I can use 120 and 150. Then close these windows. Now move this image on your document. Now you can see I insert image in Google Docs with custom dimension very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.